Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Today I am here with a new video in which I will explain you about the home screen setting in your Redmi 10 and 10 Prime. Firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. Today I will explain in this video how you can do the home screen setting in your Redmi 10 and 10 Prime. Just follow the steps and watch complete video for your home screen settings.